Phew, that was the last rock left, Rhinotrux.
Finally. Now we can get some rest.
Let's go.
Huh? Oh, uh-oh!
What's the matter, buddy?
Bob, we got stuck in quicksand.
We need help! And quick!
This is Jonny. How can I help you?
Jonny, we need your help. Rhinotrux and I are stuck on some quicksand in the desert.
Don't worry, guys. I got the perfect team for the job.
Hi, Jonny.
Bulldozer, CROCODILE, Bob and Rhinotrux are in trouble. You have to get to the desert right now.
All right, Jonny. We're on our way.
Finally, I was starting to get bored.
Look, Rhino, it's the rescue team.
We're saved.
Hey!
Hang in there, guys. All right, Draco, any plans?
Oh, yeah! I know! Me, you. I go undercover. The anima eagle is in the nest. I dive on the quicksand, I swim, I get them out. What about that? Doesn't it sound super cool, Billy boy?
Isn't it a bit dangerous?
That's what makes it cool, man!
Sure, we'll keep it as a plan B, okay? But first, I'll try to take them out on my own.
All right. You go try your super boring plan now. Happy?
Sit back and relax, friends. There's nothing that the bull can't pull. Grab the horns, Bob.
Got them!
Here we go.
Are you done, big guy?
They're too heavy. I can't pull them out.
Don't worry, pal. I know how to fix it. Guys, throw those rocks away. You have too much weight on you.
Will do. Go ahead, Rhino.
Already on it.
Well done.
That was amazing, Crocodile. Well thought.
Maybe I'm not so nuts after all, huh?
You're right, Draco. I'm sorry about before.
Don't sweat it, big guy. I know that sometimes the Croco is a little bit loco.
You're so crazy, man. But you have given me an idea.
I don't know if I can do this, guys.
Come on, Bob. You can do this.
But I don't want to leave you here, Rhino.
I'll be fine. I'm sure they'll get me out in a jiffy.
Ah!
Gotcha!
I'm all right. I don't even have a single scratch.
Well done, Billy boy. That was really cool.
Now let's get Rhino.
Oh no, Rhino!
Bulldozer won't be able to get him out in time. He needs my help.
Hey, Crocodile, how's the mission going?
Not great, Jonny. We got Bob out, but Rhinotrux is sinking. I need a boost.
Say no more, my friend. It's power up time.
Ooh, I like this. Let's do it, fellas. Okay, where can I hold on to him? Huh. Oh, jackpot!
What?
Let's go!
working, guys! It's working! You did it, guys! You saved us!
Thank you, Anima Team. You're amazing.
And all thanks to my super sick turbines. Well, I guess Bulldozer helped too. As my incredible assistant. Haha, very funny, man. Now help me get out of here. Come on, Bulldozer! I'm sinking, man!
Why don't you get out with your super sick turbines? In the end, I'm just an assistant, remember?
All right, you win. Can you please help me get out of here?
Yes! Boom! And now let's go. There is a lot to steal. Huh?
Hi, Nora.
Hi, Jonny. I think you should know that the dinosaurs escaped from prison. And I think it's because Vicki helped them.
All right, I'll send Tigers to investigate.
Hi, Jonny. What's the problem in Anima Town?
Hi, Tigers. The dinosaurs escaped from prison. Can you go and investigate what happened?
Of course. I'll handle it.
Yes, we have the ice cream.
Not so fast, Vicki.
What are you doing here?
Isn't it obvious? I'm here to stop the dinosaur you broke out of prison. And I'm taking you in too for stealing ice cream.
And how are you going to do that? If we are 2 against 1, T-Rex truck after him.
Surprise attack! Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Aha! This is going to be fun. One down!
We had a great time, darling, but you have to know when to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Sorry, T-Rex truck. I'll be back for you in a moment. Aha! Give up, Vicki. You can't escape justice.
How about you settle for the dinosaur truck and leave me to go free this time?
Never!
Well, okay, you asked for it.
Ah! Come on! Not now!
See you later, kitty cat. And now to eat this delicious ice cream.
If I don't do something now, she's gonna get away. Oh,
Hi, Tigers. Is everything all right?
Jonny, I need your help. Vicki has stolen all of Katie's ice cream, but I got stuck in mud and I can't chase her.
Roger that. Do you need the power up?
Aha!
In a second.
Perfect!
Not him again. Yuck. Ugh. Well, there's no way I'm letting him catch me. Yuck. Oh no, move! Phew.
You're under arrest, Vicki.
You just couldn't stay out of the way, could you? Ugh, it's useless.
Stealing is wrong, Vicki. Let's see if you learn this time.
Cleaning day. Worst day of the year. Yuck!
Where did all this rubbish come from? I can't swim out of here. I need help.
Here's Jonny, ready to help.
Jonny, it's Sharksky. There's a lot of garbage in the ocean, and it got me trapped.
Garbage? Don't worry, pal, I'm on it.
Hi, Jonny.
Hi, Jonny.
Crocodile, Batfly, Sharksky needs your help by the beach.
All right.
We'll take care of it.
What happened here? What a load of garbage.
Here's the plan, Traco. You find where all this is coming from while I rescue our friend.
I like that.
Wow, with all this trash, it won't be easy to find him. There he is! Oops, my bad.
Batfly, is that you? Over here!
Sharksky!
Well, I'm so glad you're here. With all this garbage in the water, I can't move. It even got into my propellers.
Don't sweat it, I'll help you.
This trash must come from somewhere.
Aw,
Of course! Only evil Vicki could be behind all this.
Anima fools, what are you doing here?
It looks like I'm stopping you.
well, it looks like I got more garbage to throw away. Bye-bye, Anima Snail.
I can't follow her through the water like this. I need help.
Hi, Crocodile.
Jonny! Vicki was the one littering the ocean, and she ran away. I need a hand here.
Sure thing. Activating power up.
Stop at once!
Huh? Come on, I can't hit you if you don't stay still.
Ouch! No!
That's right, don't move, please. What? Where'd you two come from?
Hey! Don't forget about me just yet.
Uh-oh. Help me! I command you, you useless iron ding-dong! That's right, Vicki. Let's leave the speech all clean and shiny.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Ugh, I hate cleaning days. The ice creams are all mine. You won't get away with this, Vicki. Really? And who's going to stop me?
Game over, Vicki. That fly is here to stop you.
Are you sure?
Run, guys, run!
We need your help. This is Jonny. What can I help you with? Jonny, it's Katie. We need help. Vicki is causing chaos at the restaurant, and Batfly is helping her. Wait, what? What are you talking about? I'm telling you, Batfly came and left Bob on the roof. This is a disaster. Don't worry, Katie. I'll send some help and we'll get to the bottom of this. Hi, Jonny.
Batfly, what's going on? Katie just called me saying you're helping Vicki and her evil plans?
Me? You know that can't be true, Jonny. Let me get there and find out what's going on.
I trust you, but there's no way you're going alone this time. It might be some kind of trap. Crocodile will go to and help you out.
Oh, come on.
Don't worry, Jonny boy. I'll be like your own sticky shadow.
No, not again.
Don't worry, Bob. I'll take you back to the ground. Look who's here if it isn't the Anima Fools.
This is over, Vicki. We won't let you escape.
Oh, but you will. Just wait and see.
What?
They're clones! Vicki's creating clones! Bye-bye, Anima Fools.
Crocodile, take care of your clone. I'll take care of mine.
All right, handsome. Let's boogie. Wow! Chill, my friend. Not bad. For a fake. Ouch! Katie, Rhino, I could use a little help, you know. Come on! You know I'm the real CROCODILE!
Prove it.
What? Okay. Remember when I saved you from those quicksands, Rhino? Come on! If it weren't for my super cool parkour moves, you'd still be there!
Okay, he's the real one.
No clone could ever be that cocky.
It looks like you're in a real pickle, buddy.
Come on, where did those two go? Over here, Anima Bozo! Trying to take me by surprise, huh? No need to do that. Phew, that one has some courage. Time to get back to the cave, little bat. I want to defeat her. I need something else.
Bedfly, did you find out what's going on?
Yes, Jonny. Vicki is making clones of us to fool everyone. I'm fighting her now, but I need an extra boost.
Huh? An extra boost? All right, Badfly. Get ready for a power-up.
Wow, these turbos are amazing! No way! That foolish bat is coming at us again! Turn around and shoot your boomerang, my clone! Let's bring her down for good! Ew! Huh? My turn! You failed, animal loser! Huh? Oh no! Ouch, that ought to hurt. Never mess with the bat. Come on, girls, it's going to be a bumpy ride to jail. Now, let's see how CROCODILE's doing.
Remember, fake, no one is more loco than the Croco. Thanks, guys. I couldn't have done it without your help.
You are welcome.
I just hope that Batfly defeated her evil twin, too.
Of course. Who do you think I am?
Batty! You made it!
And look who I brought with me.
Oh, yeah. That's what you get for messing with our pretty faces, you fools.
That chocolate looks delicious. I must have it. Oh no! Evil Vicki froze Bob! And he won't be the last. Give me that chocolate and I will spare you. I'll never give it to you.
This is Jonny, ready to help.
Jonny, we need help. Vicki wants to steal our hot chocolate and she froze Rhinotrux and Bob to get it.
Don't worry, Katie, I'm on it.
Hi, Jonny.
Bulldozer, CROCODILE! Vicki is making trouble in the city. I need you to stop her.
Roger that.
You can count on us.
glad you're here.
Wow! Did Vicki do all of this?
Yes, and we must hurry. She couldn't find me, so she left, but she could return anytime.
Don't worry, guys. We'll get you out of there before she comes back.
Let me break the ice.
Huh?
Ouch! Brain freeze! Brain freeze! Ooh.
Come on, Crocodile. It can't be that difficult.
That won't work, Bulldozer.
You're right. I have a better idea. Cold, cold! My horns got stuck! Ow!
Poor thing. Some hot chocolate will make you feel better. Did somebody say chocolate? I can't believe you stayed in the same place, Anima Fools.
You want chocolate? Come and get it!
You don't need to say it twice.
Watch out!
Crocodile! Hey, I'm not done yet! Nobody stands in the way between me and my chocolate!
This is terrible! I need help!
Hi, Bulldozer. How's the mission going?
It's bad, Johnny! Vicki froze everyone! I need something else to defeat her!
Say no more. Activating power up.
Now that's better! A trillion times better! Let's do this!
That was so cool!
Come on, Draco! We still have work to do!
Leave me alone, animal losers! You'll never catch me, ding-dong!
Got it.
It's over, Vicki! Give the chocolate back!
Never!
You're all free now!
Don't worry, guys. Some steamy cocoa is waiting for you. You'll pay for this, Anima Fools. You'll see.
Come on, where's the prank? That weird note on my room said it was going to be hilarious. Wait a minute. This is not funny at all. Who could have done this?
The joke's on you, silly crocodile.
This is Jonny. How can I help you?
Help! Crocodile's making a mess by the town hall. Someone has to stop him.
Crocodile? Are you sure?
Of course. You don't believe me?
He does love pranks, but this is too much. Don't worry, I'll send some help.
Hello, boss. Is there a mission for me?
Yes, Tigers, you have to stop Crocodile. He's making a mess in the city.
Don't worry, Johnny. I'm on it.
Tigers is coming! We can solve the case together!
Don't move, Crocodile. You're coming with me.
Huh? Come on, Tigers, you know it wasn't me!
I'm sorry, Crocodile. You are the prime suspect.
What?
Boss, what's the matter now?
Tigers, someone is stealing Katie's ice cream. You have to get there quickly.
What? This too?
It's a trap! I'm sure the thief is the one who set me up.
I'll have to find out.
Let me go with you, Tigers.
I can't do that, Traco. I have to go.
I have to get out of here. He's going to get in trouble. Oh. Huh. Yes. That will do it. Wow. That was a heavy meal. Okay, here we go!
You fell right into my trap, little kitty. I littered the town hall so you would all get distracted.
I knew it!
Well, if it isn't the Croco criminal, you'll wish you had stayed in jail.
Yo! Easy, lady! Man, she's fast! But I can be faster.
Draco, what are you doing? I thought Tiger stopped you.
It was a trap, Jonny! Vicki set me up and now she's got Tigers! You have to boost me up!
Say no more, pal. It's power up time.
Cool! Now we can dance, baby! Alright, little girl, let's end this.
You'll never get me, anima fool! What? How did you do that?
You don't have these sick turbos, girl. Now wait for the grand finale.
Hey, get me down from here!
I'll get you down, all right.
Aww.
Thanks for saving me, Traco. I'm sorry I doubted you.
No worries, Tigers. We got the culprit, right?
How dare you, you animal losers!
That will serve you right, Vicki.
And don't forget, you still have to clean the city.
I'll get my revenge, you'll see!
Thanks, Wheel of Fin. You saved me.
Aha!
Are you okay?
I don't think so. What's going on?
Huh? Huh? Yay! It works!
Wait, what?
Now you'll do as I want. Hey! Huh?
Hi, Bob.
Johnny, Vicki's hypnotized Wheelifin and now she's controlling him.
Don't worry, I know exactly who to call for this.
Hey, Johnny!
Tigers, I need you to go help Wheelifin. He's in trouble.
Of course! I'll take care of it.
And now that trash can. I never liked the look of those lampposts. Break them!
Oh no! This is awful! Stop, Vicki! Ah!
That was so fun!
That's enough, Vicki!
Huh? Huh? That foolish kitten again. I think it's about time someone teaches you a lesson.
And who's going to do it? You?
Run, Tigers! She's controlling what I do!
Yeah. Yay!
You are truly evil, Vicki!
I know. Now go and get them.
Oh, watch out, pal!
I don't think so, kitty kitty.
Ah, so close! Ah!
I think I'm done here. Bye-bye.
Tigers! Quick! Do something!
Oh? Ah! Ah!
Tigers, how's the mission going?
Johnny! That awful Vicki trapped me! I need help!
I got you, buddy. Activating power up.
Perfect!
Why are you doing this, Wheelifant?
I'm sorry, Katie. I really don't want to. It's all Vicki.
I'm back!
Ugh, you again. Hey, Wheelful, after him.
Yeah, come and get me!
Come on, get him.
Bullseye!
No, you
broke my remote!
I don't think that's your biggest problem right now.
Ow!
Where do you think you're going?
Huh? Yes, slime everywhere. Oh no, we have to run. This is Jonny. How can I help you?
Vicki and evil Wheelithin are smearing the city with slime.
This is bad. I'll take care of the problem.
Hello!
Hi, Jonny.
Listen up. Today, evil Vicki and evil Wheelithin are wreaking havoc in the city.
We will take care of it.
Don't worry, Jonny. Oh, wow! Look at that!
Yes! This has Vicky's signature all over it. Are you all right?
Well, more or less.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Screws and bolts! It's useless!
Tires, I'll take care of it. Oh no, this is bad.
Why can't you dissolve it?
I think it's a different slime. It can only be dissolved with rainbow water.
And how do we get it?
I have an idea. If Wheelithin eats some of my rainbow ice cream, he'll be able to spray rainbow water.
Good idea!
But the ice cream is at my restaurant.
I'll go. You should try to get Katie out of the slime.
All right.
Oh no. Everything is covered in slime here, too. There's the ice cream. Oh, I wonder if this is enough. Yes! It works! And now to save the rest of my friends!
Please, come on!
Hello there.
That's enough, Vicki!
Evil Wheelithin. Let's cover this little kitty with slime.
What? Oh.
Hi, Wheelithin.
Hi, Jonny. I need the power-up. Can you help me?
Of course, my friend.
Now it's my turn, Vicki.
What's going on? Stop it right now!
Thanks, pal.
That's it. Now it's our turn to attack.
Huh? Hang in there, buddy. I'll help you. Huh?
Ow!
Bullseye!
Look! Vicky's trying to escape!
I'll take care of her.
Thanks, Wheel Elephant.
You are welcome. And now I have to go help Tigers. Come on, buddy. Let's stop Vicky.
What was that? Oh no, please no.
You are under arrest.
Well then, I guess I'll have to use that rainbow water of yours.